Plants can move and make us sway. Butterflies are flying in array. We can see them in our life throughout and day. Blooming flowers in the morning light. Having the moon that is so bright. Having a cool shades of trees where you can take a rest. And for each cute bird that sings, everyone will be in love with these things.
Where do you go? What you gonna do? Smoking in the air, pollution is not fair. People with a car, people is unfair. What's the problem?
What's the problem?
Now and then, can you smell better? Trees is cut down by illegal logger. What is the effect?
What is the effect?
Open your mind and be perfect. So what are we gonna do? What you gonna do?
Help save Mother Nature. It might be gone to the future, so let us help it to cure. Nature can give us all we had, so we don't have to do that bad. 'Cause everywhere you look you can see trees still stand strong. Oh, help save Mother Nature. It might be gone to the future, so let us help it to cure. Let nature be free. Oh nature, planting is the key.